Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be sharing a pregnant power hour speed clean. As most of you know, I will be going in at the end of this week to have our little baby boy. We are extremely excited and fingers crossed, I think we have a name for him. I cannot wait to share it with you all, but things over here have been really hectic while we try to get ready for him. Plus, I'm still sick and I'm trying to rest. I'm sure you all can tell by my voice. So I was thinking of changing my uploading days to only 2 days a week. I'm still a little unsure of which days. Maybe Tuesday and Friday or Monday and Friday. I'm not sure yet, but I'm scared it's going to be super hard with a baby and filming and editing. I know a lot of you mamas make it look easy, but I know my baby's going to need a lot of love and attention. But I know you guys will understand because you guys are so awesome. And I really do appreciate and love you guys so much. So on this day, we went to Sam's Club and we stocked up on stuff for the kids for school and just things that we needed for the house. Because I'm sure I won't be leaving the house for a while after this baby is born. You all know how it is after having a baby. You just want to stay at home and just smother your baby. But yeah, so you will see me putting everything away. And I do clean out the fridge a little bit and get the dishes done with. But that's all I had time for during the power hour. But I hope you guys get motivated from it and you enjoy. So yeah, if you guys are new, I would love for you to subscribe and join my YouTube family. And as always, you guys, have a wonderful day.
I get so caught up in the middle, thinking of drowning in those blue eyes. I'm losing sight 'cause I am falling. I'm so deep down, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide.
Please excuse me sounding extremely out of breath, you guys, but I probably did this voiceover about 20 times, and each time I swear I just got more and more out of breath. So we are just gonna leave it how it is.
If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, yeah, I can carry all that you've got. Two heavy hearts is not a lot. I will put out all of the fire. We stumble and fall, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I am running for you. I am running for you.
You guys, I have been obsessing over disinfectant wipes lately. I swear It's just been my go-to for everything. Let me know, what is your go-to cleaning product?
Your light, be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. I'll be your light. Your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no, it's no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh, na, na, na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no, it's no more, no. We don't know, no, it's no more. We don't know, no, it's no more. We don't know, no, it's no more, no, no. We don't know, no, it's no more. We don't know, no, it's no more. We don't know, no, it's no more, no, no. Yeah. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. And now, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. And now, no, it's no more, no. We don't know, no, it's no more. We don't know, no, it's no more. We don't know, no, it's no more, no, no. We don't know, no, it's no more. We don't know, no, it's no more. We don't know, no, it's no more, no, no. Yeah.
I've got the time to show my love what it's all about. Fading up, fading down below the laser guns. I've got a heart that has been traumatized. Don't wake me up, don't wake me up. My dreams can never lie. Don't leave me alone. I got so much.
If you guys are wondering what I'm doing, I'm just rinsing off these juices because this box had an open juice, so it spilled all over the other juice boxes.
I
Burning through the night like we're from.
So if you guys are wondering what that box is, we actually left and went to the store, and then when I came back, I forgot that I had pans on the stove. Yes, of course, that is me always forgetting. But I wanted to finish before I ended this power hour. But that's going to be it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed. Please, if you did, give this video a like. It would mean so much to me. I love you all, and I'll see you all in my next one. Have a fabulous week, you guys.
We turn around.